What is up, RC enthusiasts? We're back here again today. WPL in our hands again. The white C24-1. Look at that thing. It's pretty nice, isn't it? So as you can tell right here, the updates on this one is the front end comes from the C14, which is the honcho version without the trunk end that doesn't have the bed on it. That's where they got that front end from, so that's from that. They actually painted the light buckets inside and the grill this time. And also another update, you get the C44, C34 rims or wheels. You still get the hard kit tires, RTR tires, because it is an RTR. And of course that's what they're going to want you to do, buy the kit to get the softer tires. Here's all your stickers and accessories. I'm going to go ahead and slap them on there after this. Your charger that it's included, USB charger, just charges through the balance plug. Then you got your 500 mAh 2-cell lithium-ion battery right here that's included with the truck. That goes back here. Oh, look, I have another one in there. I forgot. I already plugged another one in there. But yeah, same battery. This is from the B14. And as you can tell, the trunk has been painted. The bed has been painted black, which is pretty nice. And the bottom right here, you can't tell, but in here you have a metal ring and pinion gear. And you have these drive shafts that have screws in them to hold them on. You can see it better right there in the front because the screws are pointing outwards right there. And also, to hold the pinion in place right there, the bushings that they used to hold the pinion there, they're actually brass bushings now. So that's an upgrade right there. I really like that. That's going to make it a lot more accurate, lot less chance of stripping those gears because now you got brass in there instead of plastic. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the updates. You get metal ring and pinion gears, brass bushings in your pinion gear, 180 motor, and other than that, everything else seems to be the same as all the other C24s. So I'm going to go ahead and slap these on there and show you what that looks like with all the stickers, at least that I'm going to use. I'm not actually going to use the sticker from the sticker pack that you see in that picture right there. But yeah, other than that, I'm going to install these parts and I'm going to take that sucker out for a run. Well, there you go. Put the little shackles up front. Put the little side marker light on. Got your snorkel, door handles, mirrors, wiper blades, rear tail lights. I'm going to leave the side steps off for now because I'm going to change it to something 3D printed to leave it off for now for this run. But yeah, there you go. That's how it looks like with all the stuff installed on it. Just going to put a sticker under here so you got the orange sticker underneath that light. And same with your taillight stickers. Kind of messed up on that one right there, but I can redo it probably. That one's a better install on that side. Well, yeah, let's see the sucker in action. Back to the hill. All right, here we go, guys. It's a little lazy, so I drove it up to this spot, and this is where I started most of the other ones. It's a little hill climb right here. Oh, diffed out in the rear. There you go. Now this is full throttle. It's just like the B14, you know, it's not the fastest thing anymore. They definitely upgraded the ESC to something more crawlable. It definitely has a lot more power to go up stuff. You can tell it doesn't struggle. But it's slow and torquey. Oh, look, here's another little rock section. Let's go ahead and climb this. Oh, look, we got to back up. I forgot this whole section right here. There you go. Not sure if you guys saw that. Hopefully I got that in frame. She's a mean little sucker. Come on, boy. Man, what is it with me and coming out here in helicopters? I swear they're watching me. It's not a military one this time, guys. It's just a regular heli chopper. Oh, high centered. Get yourself out. Yeah, get himself out. There you go. Little drop right here. Did I roll most of the B16s? Let's go slow. Oh, and I rolled this one too. There goes my paint job. Thank goodness it's white plastic and not paint. What do you guys think about that new D12 that's coming out from WPL? They use paint instead of the plastic colors now. You guys like paint better or plastic? Well, let's head over to the hill climb. This one last climb right here for you guys. There you go. Now off to the hill climb. All right, here we are. There's the top right here. That's the hill climb right there. See what it does. I'm already full throttled, by the way, just so you know. This thing is slow, but it's definitely got the torque to keep the wheels moving. Come on, Yoda. There you go. Looks like this is the highest I'm gonna get it. It's trying its best. There you go. It's trying its best. Oh, it looks like the motor's giving. Oh, no, there it goes. And there it goes. It's almost to the top. That dang rock up front right there. Just can't get over that. Try to right to the left of it. Too steep. Oh, wait a minute. And stuck. Well, there you go, guys. That's it for that guy. That was a pretty good run, as you can tell. And I'm high centered. Well, it's a good test, man. It really did try its best, and it got further than most. Oh, well, there you go, guys. The C24-1 did pretty good on that hill climb. Look at that thing. It definitely beefed that up, you know, with all the nice drivetrain upgrades, and they seem to be a lot beefier for sure. They do listen to their customers. That's what I like about WPL. So, all right, guys. As you can tell, that was great. Thanks for watching again, as always. You know, I don't mind doing these hikes for you guys because I know you guys want to see these kind of performance features for these cars, or the kind of performance these cars can provide. So, there you guys go. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Now go out there, have some fun, and run that RC.